This industrial AC unit weighs about 500 kilos, all of which contains recoverable materials. You've got a fridge compressor, which is about 104 kilos in total. There's lots of copper in it as well. A couple of fans, which are goes electric motors. And there's two decent size aluminium copper radiators. There's one on this side. And as you'll notice, it's all aluminium sheet or aluminium cuttings on the outside. Inside also, there's two white heating elements for water. Works in a reverse style to an air conditioner. There they are there. They're a plastic tube. And then they've got your stainless steel coil on the inside. The water is pumped around them from your pool pump. It goes in and out both chambers and comes out heated at a certain temperature of about 25 degrees, I think it is, 25 to 30 degrees. Same way an air conditioner works and cools your house down and heats it. Okay, I'm going to endeavour to scrap this in the next hour or so. I've already done one of them this week. That air compressor was 104 kilograms. The two aluminium copper radiators were about 70 kilograms in total. There's about 20 kilograms of aluminium cuttings. I'll let you know how we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.